Welcome back, Algebra 2. In this video, we'll go over the examples shown on the screen. So once again, we are finding the difference. Let's start off by finding our least common denominator, so our LCD. We know our least common denominator has to have an x squared in it because there's an x squared right here. And then there's also a 3 and a 6, but we can do 6 divided by 3. 3 goes into 6 nicely, so we can just keep 6. As part of our least common denominator. So our least common denominator is going to be 6x squared. Okay, let's take a look at that first fraction. So to get 3x to look like 6x squared, I need to multiply. Well, to multiply 3 to get to 6, there needs to be a 2. So I'm going to multiply by 2. And then to get x to turn into x squared, I also need to multiply by an x. So for that first fraction, I'm multiplying the top and the bottom by 2x. So that first fraction is going to look like 2x all over 6x squared. I'm going to bring down that plus sign. Okay. For that second fraction, I have the 6 and I have an x, but I need another x because I need to turn that into an x squared. So I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by an x. So that second fraction is going to look like 1x all over 6x squared. Going to bring down that minus. And then that last fraction, I've got the x squared, but I'm missing the 6. So I'm going to multiply the numerator and denominator of the last fraction by 6. So I've got 6 over 6x squared. Awesome. I've got common denominators across all three fractions now. I can add and subtract. So I can combine like terms. I'm going to rewrite this all as one fraction. So 2x plus 1x minus 6 all over 6x squared. When we simplify this, we're going to get 3x minus 6 all over 6x squared. And if we were looking for our restrictions, well, x could just never equal 0 because 0 times any number will always be 0. So here is our final answer.